Motorcycles for beginners: the ultimate guide. Ducati Scrambler 62. The Ducati Scrambler 62 is a stylish and approachable motorcycle that is perfect for beginners looking to experience Ducati's renowned craftsmanship in an entry-level package. With its retro charm, lightweight, and manageable power, the 62 offers an excellent balance of performance, comfort, and style, making it an ideal choice for new riders. Engine and performance. The Ducati Scrambler 62 is powered by a 399 cubic centimeters L twin engine, producing 40 horsepower and 34.5 Nm of torque. This engine is designed to deliver smooth, linear power that is not overwhelming for beginners. The low-revving nature of the engine ensures that new riders can comfortably handle the bike without feeling out of their depth. The 6-speed transmission is designed for ease of use, making gear shifts smooth and intuitive. While the 62 may not have the raw power of larger motorcycles, it provides more than enough performance for city commutes, weekend rides, and light touring. Its torquey engine delivers plenty of low-end grunt, giving riders a fun and engaging riding experience. Comfort and ergonomics. One of the standout features of the Ducati Scrambler 62 is its ergonomic design. The bike features a relatively low seat height of 790 mm (31.1 inches), allowing riders to plant both feet securely on the ground at stops. This is particularly important for new riders, as it adds a level of confidence when handling the bike in tight spaces or at low speeds. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, and comfortable seat make the 62 a joy to ride for long periods. Despite its compact size, the bike offers a comfortable ride, whether navigating city traffic or cruising along scenic country roads. The 62's lightweight frame, weighing just 186 kilograms (410 pounds), ensures that it is easy to maneuver, making it ideal for beginners who are still building their riding skills. Features and technology. The Ducati Scrambler 62 is equipped with several modern features that enhance its usability and safety. Iconic styling, the 62 features the classic Scrambler look with modern touches, such as the round headlight, minimalist design, and retro-inspired color schemes. LCD display, the digital instrument cluster displays essential information, such as speed, fuel level, and trip meters, in a clear and concise manner. Low maintenance, the 62 features a simple, straightforward design that makes it easier to maintain, especially for beginners who are not yet familiar with bike upkeep. Why it's perfect for beginners. The Ducati Scrambler 62 is a perfect blend of style, comfort, and performance, making it an excellent choice for beginners. Its manageable power output, lightweight design, and approachable ergonomics allow new riders to build confidence and experience the thrill of motorcycling. The 62's retro-inspired aesthetic and smooth handling make it an exciting, practical, and fun motorcycle for those just starting their riding journey.